Alright, today I'm going to talk about the air filter on my Ram 2021 Cummins turbo diesel. It is right here in this compartment on the very front passenger side of the engine. In order to change it or get it off, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe 6 screws. 6 screws all the way around it, and you just need a flathead to twist these off. You could use a square bit as well. Alright, so there we go, right at the back. There's 2 along the side here. These screws are also designed. And then 2 along the back over here. And the screws are designed to not come out when you lift the lid. And then you just lift this compartment off and we'll get into the air filter. Okay, so I got this to open up. And I will describe that as kind of a pain. I had to screw all of these up so they were completely out of the way. And then this plastic piece right here is in the way and the metal frame. So I had to kind of really jiggle it to get it past there. And then this is what the filter looks like. And this is a Mopar factory filter, which is what I would 100% recommend. Alright, so to continue with this video, I came inside because the darn wind is blowing out there. But this is the Mopar factory air filter, something I would definitely recommend for the newer 2021 5th gen Ram trucks. The filter number is 53034051AB. And then it's got a max airflow rating here of 7765 or something like that. But the service department at Ram told me this is what I needed when I had a P0299 airflow error code. So if you're waffling and or having troubles with that code on your engine, go ahead and put this one in, and then we'll go back out to the truck. We'll just put this in the truck and we'll screw down the 6 screws and we'll have our air filter changed. So anyway, thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, tell your mom, buy the factory air filter. There's a link below.